What's up guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we're working on a 2004 Volkswagen Touareg. We are changing the battery. Now you can try going to AutoZone or Advanced Auto and try to get your battery replaced by them. They usually do it if it's a simple task, but not this one. Volkswagen did not make it easy for you to change your battery. So let me show you where it's located. It's under the driver's seat, and there it is. It's right there. To replace, you are going to need this tool. I'm going to throw the link in the description box, and this is to move the seat back.
Brother-in-law stated, battery's under the seat. It's really it's a little tedious. It's not that hard to get to, but it, you know, like you said, Volkswagen doesn't make it easy. You pull out all the panels, pull out the two plastic panels and the carpet here in the front. It has a T10, I'm sorry, it's a triple square, 10mm triple square that you need to get. Remove these two bolts, and once you incline the seat all the way back, you lean the seat back, the driver's seat back, to be able to give you access to the battery.
Yeah, so if you go through the back of the seat, right, you'll be able to find the two clips, right, 1 and 2, and then you'll also see the screw that right here, so you can see it right here, and that is the one that holds the vent to the bracket. Alright, so here it is. Here's the battery. Here. Now we're gonna unscrew it, the terminals, and get the battery out.
This battery is vented right here towards the front of the vehicle, pointing towards the front. So we got to remember that when we put the new battery in, we should plug, I'll show you the red cap, the plug to plug the other side. So we remove the two brackets that hold the battery in place. This one here is in the corner here, and there's one right in the center with this long, I guess 10mm bolt head. Remove those, the battery just come right out. But you gotta lean the seat back to be able to have enough space to pull the battery out. And then it's just everything in reverse. So here's the old battery, here's the new battery. And being that we know we're gonna vent it out using this portal right here on the left hand side, we're going to take this little red cap that comes on these batteries, and we're going to cap the right hand side so we know nothing vents into the vehicle and everything should go right out. Just get a hammer.
And this is where the vent goes.
Same, this one's got 800 cold cranking amps, this one's got 850.
Okay, same size.
Yeah, it is the same size. It's a 94 RH7. This one is an AGM. I don't think this one is an AGM, which in the long run should be beneficial. But we're looking good. This one is not. It's not telling us exactly what the cranking amps is, but this one's got a higher cold cranking amp, so I would assume it's equal or more than the one we just pulled out.
This is it. Okay, you've seen us change the battery of a Volkswagen Touareg. Not an easy task, but you can probably get it done within an hour. If an extra person is available to help you, that would be great. If you went to Volkswagen to do this, you probably pay about an hour of labor plus the battery. The battery you probably overpay. So save yourself a little bit of money and do it yourself. That's what the whole point of this channel is for. Alright, thanks for watching. Anything you need that we used, it will be in the description box, and you'll find it. Click it, buy it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you guys. God bless.